Hi y'all, today we're going to be making some tomato soup. It's going to be pretty simple. For this we got 10 large tomatoes, we got some fresh basil, got a large onion, we got some vegetable stock, some sugar, some heavy whipping cream, and some garlic. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, let's get to cooking. Alright, so we're going to start by dicing our onion. I got one large onion. Alright, so now in our Dutch oven, we're going to take just a smidgen of olive oil. We're going to go ahead, drop in our onions, and we're going to start sauteing these up. Meanwhile, while these saute, we just want to go ahead and quarter our tomatoes. Once those onions begin to cook, we're going to drop in 2 tablespoons of garlic. Once we got a good caramelization on those onions, I have 2 cups of our vegetable stock. I'm just going to pour in a little bit, help deglaze that pan. Next 2 cups go in. Now those 10 large tomatoes that we quartered. Now the reason I only quartered them is because I'm going to use a blender. I'm going to use my immersion blender. Or you could always dump this into a blender itself as well. Or if you want a chunkier tomato soup, just go ahead and dice the tomatoes up. That's the only difference. Now we just want to easily simmer this for a little bit. Alright y'all, after about 7 minutes, our tomatoes have kind of cooked. Now I'm going to use the immersion blender. You're more welcome to use a regular blender. Now I almost forgot, we're going to take about half a cup of our fresh basil. We're also just going to go ahead and get that blended in. Now we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of that heavy whipping cream. We're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let this simmer for about 5-10 minutes and then it'll be ready to serve up. Alright y'all, and there we have it, some tomato soup. Probably go pretty good with some grilled cheese, which I did not have the forethought to make. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.